Hi, this was our first ride of Unchained Sultans to the Weisawdong Waterfalls. It's near Cherrapunji. It's on the way to the Cherrapunji, you have a right turn to Serena Resort. From there, you go to the Daithalam Falls, and Daithalam Falls also very good. From Daithalam Falls, it's about 2 kilometers ahead. You have to park the bikes or the car on the road. There's nothing, there's no parking space, no hotels, no shops, nothing. And then you climb down. It takes about 13 to 15 minutes to go down, and you have a wonderful.
2 minutes.
Okay, these are the Daitalam Falls I was talking about. They are wonderful, they are huge, and easily approachable. But yes, you cannot wander into the falls or take a bath under the falls. That's Nath and Okay, ahead of me is Tripathi on his Interceptor 650 and Nath on his Harley Custom 1200. Trip says catch me if you can on his